Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from NUBIA Red Magic 8S Pro. So we're gonna start from the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. To show again free credits banner, you have to restart the application. Click on the plus and choose source server document. I'm gonna pick something from gallery. I got this photo, for example. Click on the import, and now you can add this a shape to your document or the picture. Click on the arrow icon, and now you can choose the filter for a photo to make it more visible. Now choose the country of the list and type the number in this place. To send the message, just click on this button, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.